Up first this evening, paternity leave will be introduced in the public sector, while maternity leave will be extended to 3 months. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark made the announcements earlier today at a press conference. One trade unionist has, however, described the announcement as premature. Andrea Chisholm has the details.
Under Jamaica's Maternity Act, workers can get up to 3 months maternity leave but will only get paid for 2 months. By September 30, the Finance Ministry will send out a circular outlining changes for public sector workers with newborns.
To increase maternity leave from 40 days to 3 calendar months. The government of Jamaica also intends to update the Public Service Staff Orders of 2004 to introduce paternity leave for the first time in the public service for fathers of newborns for a specific time and under specific terms to be finalized.
Those wishing to adopt a child will get family leave. The changes announced by the Finance Minister will form part of the Public Sector Compensation Review Program, which seeks to increase fairness and efficiency. General Secretary of the Jamaica Association of Local Government Officers, Helene Davis-White, said the unions made the proposal for the 3-month maternity leave. However,
this announcement is being made while the discussions are continuing around not only this issue, but all the issues that are contained in that compensation review. So I think it's a bit premature for the minister to be speaking to changes when we really don't have a heads of agreement as yet.
In the meantime, public sector workers with limited earnings will get help to send their children back to school.
That we will have in place a program that persons who earn at the lowest levels in the public service can be assisted with back-to-school support in the same way we are assisting non-PATH students.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.